Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Tensions in the Middle East have once again captured global attention following reports of a large-scale missile attack launched from Iran toward Israeli territory. The incident quickly became a major topic of discussion, not only because of the scale of the strike but also due to the advanced military technology involved. What was once a quiet night sky over the region suddenly turned dramatic, as streaks of light from ballistic missiles and drones illuminated the horizon. This moment illustrates how modern warfare is no longer dominated solely by troops on the ground, but increasingly shaped by sophisticated technology involving radar systems, navigation guidance, and multilayered air defense networks. According to reports, the attack was carried out in several waves, with Iran launching dozens, possibly even hundreds, of medium-range ballistic missiles. Among the missiles believed to have been used were members of the Kader, Emad, and Shahab series. These missiles are known for their impressive operational range, estimated to reach between 1,000 and 1,500 kilometers, which is more than enough to reach strategic locations across Israel. The targets mentioned in various analyses include military installations, defense command centers, and logistical infrastructure that supports Israel's national security system. In other words, the strike appeared designed not only to cause damage but also to test the resilience and capability of Israel's air defense systems against a coordinated, large-scale attack. One of the key reasons this attack has attracted significant attention is the technology behind ballistic missiles themselves. Unlike conventional weapons, ballistic missiles follow a very specific flight path. After launch, the missile travels rapidly upward, reaching extremely high altitudes that can approach the edge of space, sometimes entering the upper layers of the atmosphere near the exosphere. At this stage, the missile follows a ballistic trajectory before descending sharply toward its intended target at extremely high speed. This combination of altitude, speed, and trajectory makes ballistic missiles among the most difficult threats to intercept, especially when they are launched in large numbers simultaneously. In addition to their flight characteristics, many modern ballistic missiles are equipped with advanced guidance systems. Reports suggest that some of the missiles used in the strike combine inertial navigation systems with satellite-based guidance such as GPS. This allows them to maintain a highly accurate path toward their target throughout the flight. Even more challenging for defenders is the possibility that some missiles are capable of limited maneuvering during their terminal phase, the final stage before impact. By slightly altering their path, these missiles can potentially complicate interception attempts by enemy defense systems, making them a serious challenge even for countries with advanced military technology. On the defensive side, Israel is widely known for possessing one of the most advanced air defense systems in the world. The country operates a layered defense network consisting of Iron Dome, David's Sling, and the Arrow missile defense system. Each layer serves a different purpose. Iron Dome is primarily designed to intercept short-range rockets and artillery shells. David's Sling is intended to counter medium-range threats such as cruise missiles and certain ballistic missiles. Meanwhile, the Arrow system is specifically developed to intercept long-range ballistic missiles at very high altitudes, often outside the atmosphere. Together, these systems create a comprehensive defensive shield aimed at detecting, tracking, and intercepting incoming threats before they reach populated areas or strategic infrastructure. However, even the most advanced defense systems have limitations. When faced with a large number of incoming projectiles launched at the same time, air defense networks must operate at maximum capacity. This is where strategic tactics come into play. Alongside the ballistic missiles, Iran reportedly launched attack drones simultaneously. These drones can act as distractions or decoys, forcing radar systems and air defense operators to divide their attention across multiple types of threats. In such scenarios, the complexity of the attack increases significantly, and the possibility of gaps in the defensive system becomes greater. Those gaps may allow some missiles to slip through the defensive layers. This combined use of drones and ballistic missiles reflects a broader shift in modern warfare strategy. Military planners today rarely rely on a single type of weapon system. Instead, they employ a coordinated approach in which different technologies complement one another. Drones may serve as reconnaissance tools or electronic distractions, while ballistic missiles deliver the primary destructive force. This kind of multi-layered offensive strategy demonstrates how rapidly military technology and tactics continue to evolve in response to increasingly sophisticated defense systems. Beyond the immediate military implications, the incident also carries significant geopolitical consequences. The rivalry between Iran and Israel has existed for decades, marked by political tension, strategic competition, and occasional escalations. Each new confrontation raises concerns across the international community about the potential for wider conflict. Many analysts view such events as part of a broader transformation in global geopolitics during the 21st century, where competition increasingly involves not only military power but also technological innovation, intelligence capabilities, and psychological influence. For the international community, the situation serves as a reminder that stability in the Middle East remains fragile. Any military escalation has the potential to trigger wider regional reactions involving multiple actors. As a result, while military developments continue to dominate headlines, diplomatic efforts and international mediation remain equally important in preventing the conflict from expanding into a much larger crisis. Ultimately, this missile attack highlights one clear reality: modern warfare is deeply intertwined with technological advancement. From missile launch systems and precision navigation to complex air defense networks, technology now sits at the center of strategic competition between nations. The sight of missile trails across the Middle Eastern sky is not only a symbol of conflict, but also a powerful illustration of how technology is reshaping the nature of warfare in the modern era.